sir, this is my wheel. We finna go to the car meet over there. Talk to y'all when I come back.
It's an 8 series.
I got turbo on my shit. You got that? I got the V6 though. That's it.
What's up, bro? Niggas posted up by his car,
Cause we gonna do it again. This ain't shit new. So with that being said, you know, watching this, fuck them. With our Walmart bags.
Oh, what are you talking about, man?
Y'all YouTubers? You YouTuber?
Yeah, I'm just starting though.
You just started? That's how I am. It's cool. You gonna get lit. You gonna get it popping.
Man, they already showed up. This is like 10 minutes in, bro. They ass. We over here talking dumb shit. Now the Honda's nice though. Look at this Honda. All the Honda's nice out this bitch. I'm gonna get me one of those, y'all. Look out. All the Honda's nice. My shit. My shit finna get lit though. My car ain't much. It's my baby though.
Cops. This bit going off again? Twin.
Just tap the screen.
Alright. Oh, this bit fully charged. Alright. Fuck them police. Fuck that Mustang. Oh hell no, we got a Mustang behind us. Get the fuck over.
He was sweet. Look at this nigga. Oh, the fuck? That nigga think he's
Goofy up there.
Get out the camera. That nigga tripping, bro. That nigga stupid. Why they gonna go around the bike like that? Hey, bro, I'm gonna put those jackets on the floor.